Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to unbox something special that is going to completely transform your smartphone videography game. If you're tired of shaky footages ruining your content, then stick around. This video might be a game changer that you're looking for. So let me quickly introduce you to the brand new IZI GO-X PRO 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. Before diving in, if you guys find this review helpful, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel for more such content. So let's start with what we get in the box. Let's quickly unbox and see what we are going to get. The package looks clean and professional. Here we get the IZI badging and you get to see the specs listed out on the box. Let me quickly unbox the package. Package looks really quite professional. So we get a pouch over here with the branding of IZI, and this is how the package looks. So we have a stabilizer over here, then we get a small tripod over here, which is sturdy, and build quality of this tripod seems to be too good. We get a C-type cable, manuals, and that's all. Wow, this gimbal is so solid and lightweight. The special thing about this gimbal is it comes with a 5.0 anti-shake algorithm. That means your footage are going to look butter smooth. It also has extended 8-inch rod, so you are not going to be limited with any kind of shots. You can take ultimate shots with this particular gimbal. It comes with a OLED display over here. So I'm very excited to use this particular gimbal and test it out right away. The 5.0 anti-shake algorithm. This is the brain of the operation. What this means for you is incredibly smooth footages, even when you are walking, running or shooting in a challenging conditions. In this gimbal, we get 6+ cinematic shooting modes. Follow mode for natural tracking, lock mode for ultra stable shots, POV mode for dynamic movements, plus several other creative modes that will make your content stand out. Also, here is something content creators will love: 8-inch integrated extended rod. This essentially gives you a built-in selfie stick function, perfect for those wide shots or when you need an extra reach. We also get a dynamic OLED display right on the handle, so you can see your settings and battery status at a glance. Speaking of battery, 60 minutes charge gets 8+ hours of battery backup with this gimbal. That's phenomenal for a device like this. You can literally film all day on a single charge. When we talk about gimbals, everyone is worried about the time taken to set it up. But here, in this case, it is pretty straightforward and easy. You just hardly need 20 to 30 seconds to just put on your phone on the gimbal, slightly balance and power it on, and you should be good to go. The build quality of this gimbal is super solid and makes you feel premium. The buttons on this gimbal are super smooth. So before diving into the features, let's test out the walking shots. So here you can see when I'm walking with this gimbal, you can see the output. The 3-axis gimbal worked really great and makes your footage look smooth. Look at the running shot, guys. The output looks so stable. So this is how this gimbal works and makes your footage look buttery smooth. With this gimbal, you get access to IZI Go application. So when you install and get onto this application, you get various features and shooting modes available in this application. You can shoot trajectory, time-lapse, panoramic shoots, videos, you can change the resolution, you can change the frame rate. So this application is equivalent to any professional camera application that's available in the market. So when you go to the follow mode and enable for the face detection, as soon as the face comes to into the frame, it starts detecting automatically and gimbal starts tracking that. So gimbal movement keeps on tracking the object or the face that is available in the frame. This AI-powered tracking system can lock onto the subjects and follow them automatically, perfect for solo creators or when you are filming action sequences. These tracking features are well integrated with this gimbal, and when you are using them, you get an accurate output. So here you can also see that body tracking is working damn great, and we also have object tracking. So when you enable the object tracking, you get an option to select the object and you can shoot the object very smoothly. We also have some automated movements installed in this gimbal. So when you hit 3 times on the mode button, you get a curve movement created with this gimbal and you get a cinematic movement. If you click 2 times on the scroller, you get a pan movement automatically created with your smartphone. So these are the complemented shots you get with this gimbal. The scroller on the left will help you zoom in and out from the video. I honestly love this gimbal and I'm going to carry this gimbal on all of my next trips. So this gimbal is available on Amazon and on the IZI official website. So the price of this gimbal is somewhere around 7,500 rupees. So guys, if you want to shoot stable, smooth cinematic footages with your smartphone, then this gimbal is for you. If you want to know more about this product or purchase the product, I'll leave the product link in the description. Do check out. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you have liked this video and found this video informative. If you guys found this video informative, do hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.